Kwaya uteti wa icigo wakiririe matuko meguka thutha wa kiama kia ODM kwamukira muhera wa gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga na mbukirira cia KIUTETI ona muthutukanio kuri aria manyitanagira nake KIUTETI.
We know that there is politicians like Kahiga who in the life of Raila Amolo Odinga have used him as a bogeyman to scale their own political heights there. But it is shocking that they continue to make Raila a bogeyman in his death.
Miriri ya kiama kia ODM igikomithia mierio ya Kahiga uria wari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ndanahota kwigita ndoro. ODM ikiuga kwa yara ta Kahiga KIUTETI matikugwatanira na njira o yothe uteti-ini wari wona kana rucio.
He has crossed the Rubicon. We have crossed that line now. To mock Raila Odinga in his death, to mock him in his life, we could respond. But to mock him in his death, any person who associates with Gachagua, with Kahiga, with that lot, can never ever be our friend, because the principle is the enemy, the friend of your enemy is your enemy.
Ona gutuika waga niwe uratongoria gikundi kia ameba ODM aria maroneka kwihada na thirikari. Atongoria agi kuma kaunti ya Nyeri matongoretio ni minister wa urimi Mutahi wa Kagwe ni makomithetie gavana Kahiga.
It is culturally repugnant, and in our culture, and if I speak as a Kenyan who happens to be a Mugikuyu, a Kenyan who happens to be a Mugikuyu, I can tell you that culturally it is repugnant for you to speak ill of people who have passed on. And as a matter of fact, if you do so, there are certain rights that you need to undertake in order to avoid curses that may befall on you. So, when a person speaks on his own behalf, that has nothing to do with the rest of the community.
Mwena-ini wake, minister wa wonjoria Ri Kenya Juido miriri-ini yake augite Kahiga ni umwe wa atongoria aria matugagiria mierio itari kihariro ta njira imwe ya kwiyaka KIUTETI atekumakira ugwati uria mierio ya muthemba ucio ingirehera urumwe wa bururi. Kaunti-ini ya Nyeri abunge kuma kaunti ino ni meyeheranitie na mierio ya Kahiga na ona thengia yake kwiyeheria ta munini wa kanjo ya magavana. Abunge ya matongoretio ni seneta wa Nyeri wa Home wa Matiga marenda yeheria ta gavana wa Nyeri.
Nieka wega ni gucunga muhera no ni tukumurio togwa resign giti gia ukorwo ari munini wa Council of Governor arisign na giti gia ukorwo ari mutongoria wa kaunti ya Nyeri ta governor tondu ni ate moral obligation, moral authority ya gukorwo agiathana guku.
Waga ku resign tugwita giikaro kiu na gutongoria the vice chairman nigetha honge ici committee icio cieri na commission iyo tuhitukie ati ithui twarikia guguthikiriria ri ni tuona twagiriirwo ni gukorwo ukioya giti ona kimwe kia utongoria bururi-ini.
Tucokerie MCAs gatho tondu ni ma initiate kweheria governor Mutahi wa Kahiga wira-ini. Toguo na ithuĩ tũrĩ andũ a Nyeri agĩrĩirwo eke the reasonable thing.
Tatongoria Mount Kenya tutikaingĩrĩrio maũndũ macio ma mũndũ ũgĩtwo Mutahi wa Kahiga nĩ akue mũrigo wake. Ucio nĩ mũrigo wake we mwene na nĩkĩo nginyagia Ejuzuru erutire ta munini wa munene wa gĩtĩ kĩa COG na ona ta korwo nĩ mabũrũri mangĩ by thaa ici ũguo angĩrizainĩte nginyagia ta gavana wa Nyeri na koguo maũndũ macio nĩ make we mwene na akue na consequences cia maũndũ macio we mwene binafsi no ndagatukuirie ithuĩ ta rũrĩrĩ.
Nao magavana James Orengo wa Siaya, Kenneth Rusaka wa Bungoma na Ochilo Ayako wa Migori marauga Kahiga kwiyeheria ta munini wa kanjo ya magavana ti kuiganu afatie gutacokirio ikinya ria kiwatho guku makiuria atongoria angi matige kuhurutira ngayukano ya kinduriri.
Article 73 of the Constitution also requires that those in public office, particularly state officers, should act in a manner that brings honor to their offices.
Let us use our positions responsibly. Let us measure what we say, because it can cause unnecessary tension and unnecessary conflict in the country. We want a united country.
Ado-ini ha Kameme TV, reto ria kwa ni Mwaura wa Dungo.